The United Kingdom has launched a trial that will mix two COVID-19 vaccines to make nationwide vaccination programs more flexible. But will this work on new variants too? Let's listen into Bloomberg's interview with Johns Hopkins University professor Jason Farley.
Certainly, the pressure in the EU has prompted, the conversations between Pfizer and AstraZeneca to consider combining. We already have some preliminary data, at least from here in the United States, on the combination. When the Pfizer vaccine was approved, for example, many of us who were in the AstraZeneca trial, including myself, were instructed that we could possibly be unblinded because of the lower, at that moment, signal of efficacy. And therefore, we were given the option of being unblinded and receiving the Pfizer vaccine, of which many healthcare workers who were on the front lines of COVID chose to do. Subsequently, we saw great data from Pfizer, and we now know that the efficacy of the vaccine is quite great for severe disease as well as hospitalization. So there probably wasn't a need to receive both. But there is a significant handful, at least in the United States, who've already received both vaccines as part of the trial. And so I would encourage the companies to look at those individuals closely while they're starting a new trial of about 800 participants in the UK announced soon this week.
We also heard actually yesterday that the way that the UK is giving out the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is one dose ASAP and then you wait 10 to 12 weeks for the second dose, actually has an 82% efficacy rate, I believe. Are we going to see more countries do it? Could the US be looking at doing the same thing?
So right now, the signal from the Biden administration is that that will not be the case. We've heard repeatedly from Dr. Fauci, the most important thing was increased distribution, being able to get the doses in the sequence as prescribed. Importantly, we're concerned about particularly the variants and the pressure placed on the vaccine when an individual has some level of antibody, but not level of antibody that's protective. And so concerned just about the duration between dose 1 and dose 2, although certainly it will increase supply, that's important. And some vaccine is better than no vaccine at all. There's still the biologic plausibility that, having a little bit of antibody, then it being exposed to a variant might put pressure on that variant to further evolve.